Good morning, everybody. Hey, I've had a few requests for how to set reading levels for Epic. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. If your child signed in using a class code, they should be able to access it from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you'll just have to wait till Monday through Friday to have them go through and set it up. If you signed up using an invitation from your teacher, you would go to getepic.com, log in as your parent ID, and once you are in, you select your child who's going to be reading. And then if I wanted to read a book about sharks, I could search for sharks. And then if you look up here on the top left, it says reading level. Click on that. There's a lot of different systems for leveling books. I think the most user-friendly for us would be the AR. So click the other leveling systems and then choose AR. And then this means this is pretty much kindergarten level. So that would be the first month to the 9th month. So 1.0 means the first month of first grade, and then 1.9 would be the 9th month of first grade. And then 2.0 to 2.9 would pretty much be the duration of second grade. So this kind of gives you an idea of leveling. So if I had a kid who was a second grader, I might choose 1.0 to 1.9 as well as 2.0 to 2.9, or you can just select one of those. It's totally up to you. And when you do that, it just automatically generates books that are all on that level. So then maybe they'll be able to find something a tad bit more appropriate that they would be able to independently read. So it doesn't save that for all their search engines. So each time they're typing in something new, like if it was turtles now, well, actually that did save it. So maybe it will save it. Just kind of play around with it and see what works out. When you do it on the iPad, it's quite similar. So you're not going to be able to see everything because of the lighting. I'll just do the best that I can. When you come in here and you select your child, and then they go into Epic here, it's the same thing. When they search for a certain type of book, like let's say they searched for sharks again, it'll pop up on there. You can't see anything, I'm so sorry. But it will have the same type of button that was on the desktop where it says reading level. I'm choosing AR, and then select which level you would like for your child and click show results. And it should show them books that are all on that specific level. So that is how you do that. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks.